To create effect like this, you don't have to be a... Sorry, where is the effect? I forgot to apply the effect. So let's apply this effect. To create effect like this, you don't have to be a video editor. You can easily create this kind of effect and you can use it in your reels or shorts video to increase your views. So let's see how it's done.
Go to the Play Store and download this InShot app. You can find the link in the description and in the pinned comment section. Now open the InShot app, tap on video option, tap on new. Now tap on material tab and select any of the atmosphere you want. I'm going to select this one. Now go to the canvas option to check the size of the video. Make sure TikTok is selected if you are going to create shorts or reels. Now click on PIP option and select video on which you want to apply the effect. Now resize this video and click on cutout option to remove the background from the video. Now you can see the effect is applied. You can see main video is not completed because the effect video is short. So duplicate this. Now check this. Now this video is created. Now you can save it. Click on save.
So I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification icon to see more content like this. If you have any suggestions or questions, you can ask me in the comment section.